this is Ryan from Mr. Unboxer Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to make your computer faster. Boost the computer. So to do this, in the search bar type run, RUN. This will be showing like this, it will be the app run. Click on this, and then like this something will open, and then first type prefetch, prefetch. Here you can type prefetch and then click on enter. This folder will be empty because I have now only cleared this, so it will be for you like this, and then click on Control A and then Shift press delete, so it will be deleted from the recycle bin also. And then if you want to know the shortcut for run is Windows plus R. See, like this, it is this is the keyboard. In this you press Windows plus R, then in this like this it will be open. In this you type percentage symbol temp, temp, and then again percentage symbol, and then enter. Like this will be opened. So here it won't be more. Then click on Control A and then Shift plus delete, and it lasts. Are you sure you want to delete these items permanently? Then yes. Then again close this, then again press Windows plus R, then here type only temp and enter. Like this will be opened, then Control A, Shift plus delete, and do this for all current items. This is which this file is running now, so that's why it's not able to delete. And then again press Windows plus R and then resend, and then enter. And then this folder is empty because now only I have cleared. You can press Control R and uh, uh, Control A and then Shift plus delete, so it will be deleted permanently. And then the another command is clean mgr. This will ask for which drive you want to clean, so I will select D drive and then click on OK. Then it will ask a recycle bin like this. Because my D drive is empty, so it's 0 and 0 bytes. Your D drive may be full, so please clean it up. And then another command is Windows R and then press write tree. So guys, this command is little bit faster. It will you cannot understand what is going on, but it will boost up your computer. You see, it's like this faster. And this will go in more than 5 seconds. It will run only 5 seconds and it will go. Okay, so guys, this was today's video cleaning up the temp files, recent, and everything. So today we learned to clear to make your computer fast and uh, fast. So thanks for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe my channel. Thank you once again. Please like this video.